Welcome to the Reach Early Years program at LACAS, where every child's journey begins with curiosity and growth. LACAS Reach nurtures the enthusiasm of young learners, setting the foundation for a lifetime of discovery and learning. With dedicated educators and state-of-the-art facilities, we create a warm, dynamic environment that fosters exploration and development. Our play-based curriculum combines fun with learning, focusing on key areas like language acquisition, early numeracy, and the arts. Through hands-on experiences, children develop essential skills that lay the groundwork for future success. We integrate technology to enhance learning skills and expand their horizons. Our classroom without walls learning experience encourages students to explore knowledge beyond the classroom, from arts and crafts to music and storytelling. Our extracurricular activities provide opportunities for children to express their creativity, build confidence, and discover new passions. And of course, we play. Through sports and organized play, children develop motor skills, teamwork, and a love for active living. At Reach, we're not just preparing children for school, we're helping them build the foundation for a bright future, one step at a time. LACAS Reach, where every child's journey begins.